Hello and welcome to another Primavera P6 lesson by Global Project Control. In this lesson, I want to show it to you how you can assign a baseline to the schedule. As you see on the screen, I have two schedules over here. The first one is the updated one and the second one is the baseline schedule. If you open the updated project and then you want to assign a baseline to the schedule, you have two choices. You don't need to switch on the activity section actually. You need to go to the project menu, and from the project menu you should select the maintain baseline section. After you select it, then you should click on add. When you try to add the baseline to the schedule, we have two choices. The first one, you should select it when you try to create the first baseline. So if I want to create a copy from the current project, updated one, and assume it as a baseline to this project, then I should select save a copy of current project as a new baseline. Super easy. Done. You did the job. If you select this, you have some baseline type over here. You can assign it baseline the company procedure. And also over here, you have this choice to modify the baseline name. But sometimes we have the baseline out of the current updated schedule and we want to assign that schedule, this one I mean, to this project and assume it as a baseline. So if I click on add, then I have the second choice. Convert another project to a new baseline of current project. If I click on OK, then you can see that over here, this dialog box is exactly same as my current dialog box. So over here, I have the updated one, and over here, I have the baseline schedule. So I select it, then click on add, and as you see, it's going to be added. When this one added over here, you cannot see that on the project list again. It means that this project will be considered as a baseline on this project. Now you should assign the baseline to the project. How? We should go to the project, select assign baseline, and then based on your project information and your requirement on the project, you should assign the proper baseline to the schedule. Let's assume that the project baseline should be, based on our requirement, the baseline which we assign it to the project over here, and the primary one should be the second copy which I generated a few minutes ago. Now we have two baseline on the schedule. If we go through the activity, and then we can see that. Now, if you look at the milestone, these are based on my first baseline. If I go to the assign baseline, change this to this one. Okay, nothing changed. Let me to check my bars. Yeah, this is speak with primary, and this one also speak with primary. So I come back here and then I try to change this one. Now you can see the effect of baseline on my project. If I change the baseline to the second one, the second copy, everything will be same as my current date. But how you can restore it? I will show it to you. in the next video. Hope this video was useful for you. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Please keep up to date on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook for more lessons. You can also visit our website www.globalprojectcontrol.com to find all of our lessons and courses at once. Thank you for subscribing to the GPC YouTube channel.